What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to focus on how to optimize your Galileo FX personal trading bot on MetaTrader 5. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that it's downloaded and it's in your advisors. And you will grab it, click it, bring it over to your chart. And it's already there, but we're just going to hit yes again. And it's going to bring up our inputs for the bot. We're going to change the lot size to 0. We're going to use a risk management of 0.2. We're going to use 2 orders that Galileo can buy. We're going to say 70 for the stop loss, 20 for the take profit, 30 for the trailing stop loss. And we're going to work on the 2 consecutive bullish signals and bearish signals. But for now, we're going to click OK. And now you can come over here to the graduation hat, right click, and you see properties of Galileo FX Personal MT5. Click it, and it should have our settings that we have just put into Galileo. Now, to optimize it for its best trading, we want to be able to back test it and optimize and see which one is best. So what we're going to do is right click, go to expert list, and you will see that we have the Galileo FX bot on the Australian US dollar for 5-minute chart, Galileo FX on the Euro USD 5-minute chart, and we're going to test the Australian dollar. And we know that the settings are what we just put, all right? So how do we test it? Well, you come up here to this little icon that says Show or Hide Strategy Tester window. You click it, it's going to open up, and it's going to give you all these choices to choose from. You're going to want to click Single. We've got the Advisor Galileo FX Personal Bot in our window here. In the Expert, we're going to test the Australian US dollar on the 5-minute chart from 9/1 to 10/31. And it says here the deposit is what the balance is, $5,522 on USD with 100-to-1 leverage, and we just press start. And within a moment, we'll be getting a report. You can look and watch as it does the Galileo optimization up here, and you come down here and you see settings, inputs, backtest, graphs, optimization results, agents, and journal. You want to click backtest, it's going to give you the report. And you notice that using this Galileo setting of 2 and 2 for the bullish and bearish, you will be down $5,343.96. And if you click graph, it gives you a visualization of how Galileo would look if it trades on the 5-minute chart with 2 and 2 as its settings. This is not what we want. And once you see what the current settings is going to yield you on the Galileo bot on the Australian USD, you're going to want to go back to overview. If it doesn't meet your criteria, click complete optimization, and we're going to see Galileo Australian USD on the 5-minute chart, same time periods, same money, same everything, nothing changes. But the inputs is what's going to change. Now, you're going to see on inputs you got the value. This value is what we have over here as our settings. Remember? That's the same thing as the value. That is what you just tested. Now what you're going to do is put a start, a step, and a stop. This is going to activate the optimization for you and test which one of these bullish signals and bearish signals is best. It's going to start with the number 1. It'll step up each time it checks, and it'll go 1 up at a time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 until it gets to 15. It'll stop the optimization, and then you can see what your reports say, okay? So you want to make sure that you go to inputs after you go to optimization and put 1, 1, and 15 for start, step, and stop. Once you have that set, and trust me, it looks like it's a lot, people, but it's really not. You're going to catch on real quickly. You go back to overview, you go to complete optimization, you're going to see Galileo USD 5-minute time frame's good, money's good, USD, 100% leverage, and you click start and it will begin the optimization. You come over to the optimization results and you begin to see how much money you can make profit wise on this one, where you use a 8 bullish and 14 bearish. You can get a $90 profit with 33 trades with a 1.28% drawdown, and that is fantastic. 814. So we want to write that down and go back over to overview, click single. Once you click single, go to inputs and put 8, double click 14, and go back to overview and press start. And let's check the 5-minute chart and see if we can get $90 per trade. All right, let's go to the back test results, and we see $90.36. And you scroll down and you're going to see that short trades 1% was 77% with 31 wins on the short sales. On long sales, we see that we won 2 out of 2 or 100% on long trades. So now all we have to do, now that we know that the settings is 8 and 14, is now close out your strategy tester, go back to your Australian USD, click the graduation hack, go to properties, and change the bullish to 8 and the bearish to 14, and you're good to go. Oh, and then go to commons and click allow algo trading and turn it on. And now Galileo is going to work with the bullish bearish signals that you just added to it. And all you have, once you've got your settings and you turned your algorithm on to where Galileo will start working, you want to come over here and you'll see algo trading. It might have a square box. You want to click it. It'll do a green arrow. And now Galileo is working in the background with those properties that you put into it to buy Australian USD or sell it, whichever one triggers the signals. So with that, I hope this was informative. Tell me down below, did you learn anything? Love y'all. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know any other questions y'all might have. Be blessed.